Let me tell you something, save your money. Don't go to Disney because after today, you will create your own fireworks. If you are passionate about physics, you will absolutely love this tutorial. Today, we will create some fireworks and star effect. Let's begin. I have already added my clip to the timeline. Right click anywhere on this empty space and create a new solid. I will leave name as it is, click OK. Now select the solid we just created. Go to effects and presets and search for particle. Here we have two options, CC particle systems and CC particle world. The first option, particle system, is used to create 2D particles. CC particle world is used to create 3D particles. I will go with CC particle world, and here we have the effect available in the effect controls. Here we can change all the settings. Let's click on particle. Here we can customize shape and appearance of the particles. Let's click on particle type, and here we have multiple options. Let's take a look at cube. Click on bubbles, we got all the bubbles, and click on stars and we got all the stars. So here I will go with stars. We can also change size of these particles. So for example, let's say if you want to make them bigger, you can make them bigger using birth size and death size. Birth size is the initial size of the particles when they are first generated. Death size is the size when they disappear or reach end of their lifespan. And same thing goes with the color. Birth color when the particles are born. So let's say you want to keep pink, blue, whatever. I will go with, let's say, just orange or something like that, And we can also change color. And death color when the particles are dying. And this is how we can customize the appearance of particle. Then we have another option called producer. So if you want to, let's say, change the position, you can do left and right. I will leave them in the center for now. Similarly, you can use Y position. You want to move your particles top to bottom. Them again, I will leave them in center, and then we have position Z, how far and how closer you want to have your particles on the screen. Again, I will leave them as it is. Then we have radius. In the radius, how big area you want to cover. So let's say I want to keep them in this area, or in the Y radius, let's say I want to increase them to this area. Then we have another option called physics, and this is where we have a couple of interesting options. For example, animation, what kind of animation you want. So let's say I want to twirl these particles. Let's say explosive. So this was the explosive one. So this is how you can control their animation. Then we have velocity. If you increase the velocity, mean speed, they will be more faster. You see? Then we have another option called gravity. So gravity, let's say if I reduce the gravity, they are flying up. If I increase the gravity, now they are going down. I will leave gravity as it is. Then we have resistance, and the best way to learn all these settings is to just go and play with them. And this is how you can control physics of these particles. And now let's take a quick look on the particle system and add the particle system effect to this solid layer. Here we go. We have particle system available. And look, here we have exactly same settings. Producer, only difference is we don't have Z axis. And here we have all the same physics and the particle option. Exactly same setting, and you can see here we have the firework effect. You can twirl that effect. Let's try vortex effect, and that's how we can work on these two amazing effects, and they can create stunning screen visuals. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Take care. Enjoy these effects on big screen.